Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I have 5 super cute low bun hairstyles for you. I really hope you find this video helpful and yeah, let's get started. To start, you want to prep your hair with a dry shampoo or texture spray just to give more grip and hold. I'm using a Moroccan oil texture spray which I will link below. So for this look you want to gather your hair as if you're going to create a low ponytail. But then on your last turn with your elastic, you just don't want to pull the hair all the way through, so it creates a half loop. Divide the remaining hair that's poking out into 2 equal sections. Bring these over the top of the bun and then join them at the top with a clear elastic. If you have layers in your hair, you might want to add a little bit of hairspray to each of those sections just to keep the layers intact so they don't fan out. And twist this section on itself so it creates a crossover effect. Once you've created this crisscross effect, you then want to push this over the top of the bun and secure the ends. You can then twist up the ends back into the bun and pin in place. Then pinch and pull at the root to give it texture and volume. So this is the finished look. I did actually post this tutorial a few months ago over on my Instagram Reels, but I will put a link below if you want to check it out, along with some other quicker, shorter tutorials. For this next style, I'm just braiding random sections of hair, so I'm taking sections about an inch thick and just braiding these into a 3-strand braid. You want to make sure that they reach around to the back of your head. I'm then just braiding another section at the back, so I've got a braid on the side and one slightly off center at the back, but it's really up to you where you want to place your braids. Then you want to repeat the same steps that we did before, so just gather the hair into a low ponytail and just don't pull it all the way through to create the half loop. You want to position the braids over the top of this so that they are visible. With the remaining hair, you want to bring this over to one side, then just braid a small section. You want to secure the ends and gather the braid and the rest of the hair up. Bring this over the top of the bun. And again, making sure that the braid is sitting on top of this so you can see it. Once you're happy with the shape, you can then bobby pin everything in place. This is the next look done. I think this one will be a great festival hairstyle as well. The next style, you want to create a slight side parting and secure the side that has the most hair out of the way. This is going to be your section that sweeps over the top of the bun at the end. With the remaining hair, you want to braid this into a 3-strand braid, making sure to pull on the sides to add volume. And once you're happy with the volume, then you can secure it with an elastic. Then wrap the braid backwards on itself, creating a bun shape. And once you're happy, secure everything in place. Take down that side section and sweep this across and underneath the bun, making sure to hide any of the ends. You can then finish off the look with a little bit of hairspray just to keep any flyaways in place and to give more of a sleek look. For the next look, start by grabbing 2 equal side sections and clipping these out of the way. These are going to be the bits that kind of wrap over the top of the bun at the end, so we don't have to worry about them at the moment. Then with the remaining hair, you want to divide these into 2 equal sections. You just want to create 2 mini loops, and you want to make sure that both loops are quite similar in size and quite close together. Then place your thumb and first finger through one of the loops and grab the other loop and pull this through. It will create a crisscross effect which you can then kind of pull on the sides, and then once you're happy with the shape you can just pin that down. Don't worry about the ends being loose, as we're going to incorporate them with the 2 front sections as well. So bring down those 2 front sections and you just want to cross them over each other so that they lay flat either side of the bun. Then grab all the ends and join them together at the bottom of the bun. Secure the ends with a clear elastic and then tuck the ends back into the bun. Then you just want to go over that section which is kind of parted. So just smooth the hair together, and you can add a few bobby pins just so you can't see the parting. This is the next look done. I just love how glam this one turned out. I think it will be perfect if you're going to a wedding. For the last hairstyle, you want to create another loop, just like we did in the first two styles, and then this time with the ends, you want to divide them into 2 equal sections and braid them. You then want to pull on the sides of the braid and the bun to give more of a messier look and add more texture. Then grab both braids and twist them over each other so that they're sitting on top of the bun. Once you're happy with the shape, you can then bring both ends underneath the bun and secure them. And again, just pull on the roots and the side of the braid to add more volume. So this is the final look. I really hope you found this video helpful and you learned something. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.